Hey Kayla, this is Nick Hershey at Prime Motorcars Mercedes-Benz here with the all-new 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250. I wanted to send you a video so you could get a better look at it and maybe understand the vehicle a little bit better, more than in the pictures. So I'll come around over here and open it up. This color is called Mountain Gray. The interior is black MB-Tex. Now this vehicle does have the multimedia package, which is going to give you the larger navigation screen that helps you operate, your menus as far as your radio, your navigation, your settings and whatnot. The seats are heated. It does have a panoramic roof, which is a really nice feature, with optional blind spot monitors on this car to let you know if someone's over there. Your external driver's side and internal mirror are both auto dimming, so if anyone drives by you with really bright lights, they'll dim for you. Give you a good shot of the back seat here. Another nice feature of this vehicle is the keyless go. So all you have to do is have the key on your person at any time, and you could open the doors just by grabbing the door handles, and you can lock it by touching the door handles and start the car with the push of a button. It does have a power liftgate, plenty of trunk space. With a 60-40 split, the seats do fold down all the way so you can fit whatever you may need in there. Kayla, I hope this helped you a little bit. If you have any questions, please respond to this email or call me directly at 207-510-2250. Kayla, thank you. Have a great day.